Bang! Just like this. What a great deal! I have a real method on how to get rich. How much would I have made if I invested in Apple stock in the 90s? Yes, I'm also friends with these failed millionaires who believe that only securities bought at the right time made them rich. And today I will show you a super easy and fast method that can bring you from $900 daily without any stress at all. And you can invest just $10. Pretty cool, right? Watch this video to the end and I will tell you how to get into a private community that can help you earn money every day. Hello, my trading heroes! I'm Evelyn, an expert trader with over 5 years of extensive experience, and I have been making money on binary options for quite a long time, earning on average $1 million a year. I have a real method on how to get rich. I even created a community with 22,000+ subscribers in Telegram, and every day I help them earn an average of $630,000. So what are you waiting for? You can join us too. Come to my Telegram channel and be sure to DM me. The link to the channel is in the description under this video and in the pinned comment. Well, today we'll look at the coolest and most unobvious way to make money in stocks. Nobody talks about this on YouTube, so watch till the end carefully and just copy my moves. First of all, let's go to Pocket Option and set everything up. Let's start with our candle time frame. We're gonna set that at 30 seconds and the trade duration will be 1 minute. Next up, now we click here, them stocks and select Apple, Facebook, Tesla and Intel. Perfect. And for our third step, we got the indicators. Stochastic, yeah, all the settings are correct. And for the MACD here, too. MACD and Stochastic have similarities. They are effective in trend reversal and forecasting setups, but when combined, they complement each other very well. In each of my videos, I share my experience and strive to provide more opportunities and knowledge in trading. I think it's time to like this video for my efforts and your new knowledge. What do you think? It's time for us to get off to a good start. Yes, because I want to set a new record for the fastest time to make money in stocks today. Let's break some records. Intel. We can see the stochastic lines changing direction and showing us signs of upward momentum. Let's not argue with our indicator. Let's bet higher. Bang! Just like this. Yes, so easy and simple. We doubled our capital. We now have $34. Not bad. On the second stock, there has obviously been a trend reversal and the bulls have decided that Tesla shares should be worth more, even though the bears are resisting. I'm sensing some upward movement here, so let's go long. And we click higher. A little more, and it's a win! Our balance is currently at $59. But of course, we were just warming up. Swipe. Next up, Facebook. Oh, things are bad. The downward trend will obviously continue. Apparently, Facebook prefers red candles today, which indicates a long downward trend. So let's click lower. This is not a coincidence. Pam! We reached the amount of $108 plus $90 in 4 minutes, which is already a good sign. When can you make that much money in the stock market in that amount of time? Cool, right?
It's really cool.
Now I have an important question for you. Have you ever traded stocks on binary? If so, what were the results? Do tell us what's up. Write in the comments about your experience or your thoughts. Let's expand our trading horizons together. Now, let's move on to the next step. Whoa! The uptrend is quite clearly visible here, and you can see that both indicators confirm this with their lines. I'm gonna go ahead and click higher. Boom! We have $208 in the account, and we don't care whether stocks fall or fly. With every move, we're gonna increase our deposit. The start of the trend is right here. Despite the difference in the charts, the situation with the previous rise is very similar. The price is going up. The trend and indicators are heading in the same direction. Let's hit higher. Meanwhile, we reached $399. And of course, this is not our final one, so let's move on. Tesla. Stochastic predicts a downward impulse. Most likely a new downward trend will form. This means the bet is lower. Bam! Awesome! Our earnings are $738 at the moment. But let's not stop there. Here we see consolidation and weak volatility. In such conditions, the candle simply cannot go up. The market is too weak. So let's press lower. Beautiful. Our account is already at $1,358. But that is not all. Stock market, I will rock you! I'm sure that you want to become a fine trader. Don't worry, because I got you. I have made loads of strategy videos for you guys. For example, I have a video in which with one of my strategies, I was able to raise $5,031 from $2 in 13 minutes. Super productive, profitable strategy. Click here or follow the link in the description to watch this video. But we need new hates, so it's time to conquer them. Apple. The trend in this stock is still heading upward. So we will follow it too. We invest for growth. What a great deal! $2,278 from $18. Well, it is a good result. I think it is good, but let's make some more money, shall we? Intel. Green candles hit the resistance level. We can see that a trend reversal has started, and the red candles began a total downward movement. So the bet is lower. Bam! Fabulous! And we've got $3,198. Well, let's kill that final monster. Our Tesla again. Here we see a serious pullback. Apparently, the bulls don't have enough strength to seize the initiative and break through the resistance level. Press the lower button. Simply excellent work, and long live the fireworks in our honor. Woo, that was great! Earned $3,998 from $18 in 12 minutes. Where else can you raise money on stocks as quickly as on binary? How can this market not be considered the best? Personally, it changed my life beyond recognition. I became the hero of an article on Bloomberg and wrote my book about how cool it is to make money on binary options. I bought my dream house and cars. I traveled to all the countries that interested me. And most importantly, I help all my Telegram subscribers. I share my knowledge and trading sessions, and they endlessly write me thank yous and a tons of different kind words.
I was almost like giving up of trading, and then I found Evelyn.
I really appreciate your help, the way you are helping us to earn money.
You make it easy. I don't know how you make that.
And then I was able to make real money, actually. And I'm so happy for it.
I show my community how to use Pocket option, what buttons to press in great detail, and the cherry on top, it's completely free. You will copy my trades and earn $800 to $900 every day. And yes, my win rate is 86.6%, which means that the number of lost trades is extremely small. In just a couple of days, you will understand trading and win your first trades. Trading, strategies, signals, indicators. It's not at all as confusing as it might seem at the beginning, and I personally will help you figure everything out. You just need to enter my trades and you will earn good money. There are just a couple of simple steps left to do. Add to my Telegram channel and write me a private message. Simple as that. And then you'll enter a whole new world filled with money, where you'll be able to make your dreams come true. Hop on board now. Follow the first link in the description or in the pinned comment under this video.
Okay.
So, my darlings, it was super cool. Just a great session. I really look forward to your likes, comments, and subscriptions. And don't forget about my videos. I recommend a video with a killer profitable strategy. I easily earned $7,057 from it. Watch, study, trade. Click here or look for the link in the description. Invite your friends to my channels and we will gather a huge community of traders. I love everyone. Kisses. Bye, kittens. See you in my cozy Telegram.